If someone lands on your website right now, would they instantly know what you sell and how to buy it? A website isn't just something you have for your business. It's your 24/7 storefront. And if it's missing the right pieces, you could be losing customers without even knowing it. So in this video, I'm going to break down the must-have parts every website needs to actually work for you. Think of your website like a real store. You don't just walk into a store and see random products everywhere. You have a front door, which is your homepage. You have a sign, which is your menu or navigation bar. Aisles are organized. This would be your collections or categories. And clear product displays. These are your product pages. If your website doesn't have structure, people get lost, and lost people don't buy. Your homepage is your first impression. This is where you show what your business is about, highlight your best products or services, and guide people where to go next. Think of it like walking into a store and instantly seeing, here's what we sell. Here's what's popular. Start here. Simple, clean, and clear. Now let's talk about your menu bar. This is super important. Your menu is how people move through your website. You want it simple, like your homepage, shop your products, collections, your About Us page, your contact page. You want people to think, oh, this is easy. I know where everything is. Instead of throwing all your products on one page, organize them. These are called collections or categories. For example, bestsellers, new arrivals, skincare, clothing, food, whatever you sell, gifts or bundles. Collections help customers shop faster. And when people shop faster, they buy more. Now let's talk about visuals, because this matters a lot. The photos are what sell your products. You need clear images, good lighting, multiple angles, lifestyle photos if possible. So those would be photos of people actually wearing your product. People can't touch your product online, so your photos have to do the talking. Each product needs its own product page, and that page should include a strong title, clear description, that's what it is and why it matters, the price, more than one photo, and an add to cart button. Make it easy for someone to say yes. People don't just buy products, they buy trust. That's why your About page tells your story, your contact page shows you're real and reachable. Your customers will use your contact page to send you an email. So if you remember anything from this video, remember this: a good website isn't about being fancy. It's about being clear, organized, and easy to shop. When your website works for you, you don't have to chase customers. Your website does the selling for you.